Welcome to the Paradise Nutrients 2023 Gatton Facility Update. So let's go in and have a look, and I think 2023 is going to be a great year. And the benches are all in place now in the cleaning room. So this is where everything will be cleaned down. There's a batching bench here and a work bench for cleaning. Sink's in place. The big washer is in place. And the other bench, we've got some work to do here with the washdown area. But most of the water's all in place and etc. And the water is all now in place. All the power and everything is hooked up to the water. And so all the power has been hooked up to the hot water systems. The water is now ready to go into the cleaning room. Some more equipment has turned up at the Gatton facility. This is a shrink wrap tunnel, and it also puts them together so it can be shrink wrapped. 2 units joined together. Some stainless steel benching, and we have an automatic sieve. Sieves out all the materials. And we have lots of spare parts for another machine coming, which is a bottle unscrambler. Our air compressors have all turned up now, so we have 3 compressors, 1 for each production line. And over here we have the shrink wrap tunnel. So when the products come into this line, and they'll go into what we call the packing area, the machine automatically packs 6 or 12 packs and then shoots it across into the shrink wrap tunnel. So the trucks have just arrived with our first load of machinery from overseas. Very exciting. He's going to back into the docks here. We're back into this dock. And this is our adjustable dock, automatically lifts up and down. Now opening the door of the first container. The equipment up inside. Righto, we can come back. You want to lift yours up, Steve, before he does that? Tell him to stop a sec. You've got to lift this up. Now lifting the adjustable. Does that come up? Yep, come in. Up. Keep him coming. And there's the first load of our equipment that's arrived from overseas. We'll start to unload that. One piece of equipment. So now we now have the first container all unpacked, and we're doing the checkout. This here we have the tube filling machine has arrived, the bottle filling machine, and this machine here is the powder filling machine. And there's a lot of other bits of equipment from this container. So our last load's just been delivered, and this lot of machines has come in from overseas. They're all in the packaging. We're now about to tick them off and have a look at all the machinery to make sure they're still all in good order and nothing's been damaged. And the last of our equipment has now been unpacked, and all the machines that have turned up from overseas are all here, ready to be fitted into the production lines. And each machine will run through each machine. This is a labelling machine which goes on the end of the bottling plant. Over here we have a specialised cap fitter. This fits the nasal sprays, the little misters from the nasal sprays. We'll be able to see all these when the machines are unwrapped, when they go into place. There's another labelling machine. This labelling machine does the big powdered bottles, shift workers nightcap, etc. This is a cap tightener. This is what tightens the caps. We'll be able to see this in action once it's in the line. Over here we have a carton sealer, another automatic carton sealer, goes on the second line. Let's put this another cap machine. This machine puts the pumps, so the hand pumps for the industrial hand cleaner, into the bottles automatically. Over here we have a inline weighing machine. So this little unit here is a weigh checker. Here's another bottle tightener. So this tightens the different caps on the bottles. This machine here is another weigh checker. It actually checks all the jars, the different size jars, things like shift workers nightcap, Cocoa Blitz, and the new products that are coming out. This is a bottle unscrambler. This is a bottle feeder, and feeds the production line with the bottles. We're able to see that in action. Here we have the three big machines that have turned up, big units. The tube filling machine. You'll be able to see that in action once it's unwrapped and put into the line. This unit here is our bottle filling line, so a 4-head bottle filler. And this big unit here is our powder filling line, and there's a auger goes to the top to fill it. We can see the auger down in here. There's the base of the auger, little hopper for the auger filler. And this one here is the auger. And this machine laying down here is the where the lids, all the caps and lids go into the jar filling line. This is an induction sealer, this one. This induction sealer. The bottles come in underneath there and they seal up the induction cap on top. We can see more bottle unscramblers here and lid unscramblers. This is a metal detector, electronic metal detector. Another bottle line feeder. This will feed the jars. And these tables, when the product's finished, they come out to these tables and they're packed into the cartons. And the cartons are put in the automatic carton sealers. We actually have some second-hand trolleys, stainless steel trolleys. Trolley here that goes into the washroom. More production trolleys. And that's it for this lot of machines. There's still 3 major machines to come in from Sydney. And that about gives us the update for February 4. Of course, as we walk through, we can see that most of the walls and seals have all been sealed on the walls. So there's just a little bit of work to complete a few fit outs and the machine can come in. All the machines can come in and be set up and wired up for electricity. And you see now all the walls, all the joins and cracks in the walls have been siliconed up. And we're really at an exciting stage, an exciting time of Paradise Nutrients in being able to mass produce our products. The major joins in the floors are now being recut, recleaned, so that they can be resealed. There's work happening in each room. Looking forward to the next few months.